Hello and welcome to English in Minutes.
We are your hosts, Emily and Jack. Thanks for joining us.
Today we talk about one situation, meeting an old friend.
It happens to everyone. It can feel scary or happy.
We will learn what to say, simple and useful words.
Please subscribe. Share with friends who learn English.
Let's begin. You are at a supermarket.
You are looking at fruit, apples, bananas, oranges.
Then you look up. You see someone.
Their face is familiar. You know you have met them.
But when and where, you are not sure.
Your mind starts to race. You search for a memory.
It feels like a puzzle. You need to find the right piece.
You look at their eyes, their smile, their hair.
Maybe they look older, but the smile is the same.
They see you too. They stop walking.
There is a moment of silence. You are both thinking.
This moment is short, but it feels very long.
You must say something. You take a small step forward.
What is the first thing you say? This is important.
Keep it simple. Use their name if you remember.
Say it with a happy voice. Lisa, hi.
If you are not sure, ask. Excuse me, are you David?
This is polite. It shows you are trying to remember.
Let's say you remember now. Oh wow, it's you.
It's really you. This is a surprise.
See? Simple words, but they show your feelings.
You don't need big sentences. Just show you are happy.
Maybe you both laugh because it is so unexpected.
Laughing is good. It breaks the nervous feeling.
Now talk about the time. This is the next step.
It's been so long. Years, right?
I think we last met at the park.
Yes, for Mike's birthday.
Mention a shared memory. It helps you both.
It connects the past to now. It builds a bridge.
Now look at the person. Give a nice compliment.
You look wonderful. You haven't changed a bit.
This is a kind white lie. People like it.
They will smile. They will say something nice back.
You look great too. Same smile as always.
This creates a warm feeling. The ice is broken.
Good. The first part is done. It was not so hard.
Now, the real conversation starts, the catching up.
This part can feel big. What do I ask? What do I say?
Don't worry. Use one easy question to start.
The best question is open. What have you been up to?
This question lets them choose. They can talk about anything.
They might talk about work. I changed my job last year.
Or family. My son started school.
Or hobbies. I started painting.
Your job is to listen. Listen with interest.
Show you are listening. Nod your head. Smile.
Say small words. Really? Wow, that's nice.
Then ask a follow-up question. Go deeper.
Do you like your new job? What does your son like at school?
This shows you care. You are not just being polite.
Let's practice. What have you been up to?
I moved to a smaller apartment. It's near the river.
Near the river? That sounds lovely. Do you like it there?
I do. It's quieter. I can see trees from my window.
That sounds very peaceful. A good change.
And you? What is new with you?
I got a puppy, a small block puppy. He is very energetic.
A puppy? What is his name?
His name is Milo. He chews my shoes.
Oh no, but he is cute, right?
Very cute. That's why I forgive him.
See? The conversation flows. One topic leads to another.
It is like a dance. You talk, then I talk.
Now it's your turn to share. Share something about you.
Don't share everything. One or two things is enough.
Say, I learned to cook Italian food.
Or, I traveled to Japan last summer.
Keep it light and positive. This is a happy meeting.
Now, a very fun part, talking about the old days.
Start with, do you remember? Choose a good memory.
Do you remember our school concerts?
Yes, you played the piano. I was so nervous. You were not nervous. You sang well.
Only because I couldn't see the crowd. Both laugh.
Laughing together is the best feeling. It is like magic.
It brings back the old friendship instantly.
But be careful with memories. Choose happy ones.
Don't say, do you remember when you were very sick?
No, that is not a good memory. It might make them sad.
Stick to the funny and silly stories, the golden memories.
Maybe you are still in the supermarket aisle.
Standing and talking for a long time is not easy.
So you can make a small, kind suggestion.
Say, I'm free for a bit. Would you like a quick coffee?
This is a classic move. A quick coffee is not a big ask.
If they say yes, perfect. Go to a cafe nearby.
Now you can sit and talk more comfortably.
If they say no, that's okay. Don't feel bad.
They might be busy. I have to pick up my kids soon.
That's a real reason. It's not about you.
Then move to the next step. Talk about the future.
Don't just say goodbye. Try to stay connected.
Say, we should not wait so long next time.
Let's exchange numbers. Or are you on Facebook?
This is very important. Get their contact information.
Make a light plan. I'll send you a message next week.
It shows you value this meeting. You want it to continue.
Now, the final goodbye. Make it warm and kind.
This was really great. I'm so happy we met today.
Me too. It was the best part of my day.
A hug is nice here if you both are comfortable.
Or a pat on the shoulder, a warm handshake.
Take good care. It was really wonderful seeing you.
Then you walk away. You both have a smile.
That is the full meeting, but let's talk about other places.
What about a planned event, like a class reunion?
You know you will see old friends. You can prepare.
Think of a few things to say. How are you? What do you do now?
The rules are the same. Be warm. Be curious.
At a reunion, everyone feels the same, a little shy.
You are not alone. That can make you feel better.
Another situation, a video call with a cousin far away.
The start is similar. Hi, I can see you. This is great.
Your connection is good, and I like your shirt.
Then ask the same questions. What's new there?
Technology helps. You can share photos easily. Look at my garden.
Now let's learn some useful phrases, simple phrases.
For the surprise, what a small world. I can't believe this.
To show happiness, this is a lovely surprise. I'm so glad to see you.
For the time gap, where did the years go? It feels like just yesterday.
To start talking, tell me about you. What is your life like now?
To show you listen, that's wonderful. I'm happy for you.
If you forget a name, be honest. It's okay. Say, I'm so sorry. My mind is blank. What is your name again?
People understand. It happens to everyone.
To end the talk well, I should let you go. Let's stay in touch for sure.
Practice these phrases. Say them out loud.
They will help you feel confident and ready.
Now, why are these meetings so special? Let's think.
That person knew a different you, the younger you.
Talking to them is like looking at an old photo album.
You see how much you have changed and how much you are the same.
It feels good to be remembered. It means you mattered.
So even if you feel shy, try. Say hello.
You might make their day better, and your day too.
A simple hello can restart a beautiful friendship. Let's talk about feelings, your feelings during this meeting.
At first, you might feel nervous. That is normal.
Your heart might be faster. Your hands might feel cold.
Take a deep breath. Smile. A smile helps a lot.
During the talk, you might feel happy or nostalgic. Nostalgic means thinking about the past with feeling. You might feel a little sad, too. Time passes so fast.
All these feelings are okay. They are part of being human.
At the end, you will probably feel warm and connected.
That is a very good feeling, a feeling of belonging.
What if the conversation is difficult? What then?
Sometimes you have nothing in common now.
The talk feels forced. You both search for topics.
That's okay too. Not every meeting is perfect.
Stay polite and kind. Talk about general things.
The weather, the city, a recent movie.
Keep it short. Then say goodbye kindly.
You tried. That is what matters.
Now, let's do a role play, a full conversation.
I will be Alex. You will be Sarah. We are old classmates.
Okay, I am walking in a park. I see you on a bench.
Sarah? Is that you?
Oh my goodness, Alex? Hi.
Wow, what a surprise. How are you?
I'm great. It's been so long. You look good.
You too. Same smile. What are you doing here?
Just walking, enjoying the sun. And you?
Reading a book, but I can stop. What have you been up to?
I'm a teacher now at a primary school.
A teacher. That's perfect for you. Do you like it?
I love it. The children are funny. Do you remember Mr. Brown?
Our history teacher? Of course. He was so strict.
Yes, I think of him sometimes.
Me too. So a teacher. That's great news.
What about you? What's your news?
I work with computers. I design websites.
That sounds interesting and very modern.
It's okay. Hey, I'm free now. Want to get a juice?
Sure, that would be nice.
Great. Let's go to the kiosk over there.
See? A natural conversation, simple and friendly.
Now, a final recap. The most important points.
Meeting an old friend has a simple flow. Follow it.
Step 1. Recognize and greet. Show your happiness.
Step 2. Talk about the time. Give a nice compliment.
Step 3. Ask, what have you been up to? Listen well.
Step 4. Share your news. Talk about old memories.
Step 5. Suggest a drink or get contact info.
Step 6. Say a warm, kind goodbye.
Use simple phrases. Be yourself. Be friendly.
The other person is probably nervous too. Remember that.
So smile. Start with a simple hi or hello.
We encourage you to try. Think of an old friend today.
Send them a short message. Say, hello, I thought of you today.
You might be very happy you did. They might be too.
Thank you for practicing English with us today.
You are doing very well. Keep learning every day.
This was English Eng Minutes. See you next time.
Goodbye and take care.